Hello, Mahmood Abdulla. It's a pleasure for us to host on our fintech community, Fintech Garden. Yeah. And today we are on the ground on Money20 in Kingdom, Saudi Arabia.
Yes.
And we are asking a lot of different questions to our interviewers. And the really first one, what brings you to the conference? What are you looking for?
So, to be honest, I came because of the momentum that we have in the GCC region. The GCC region is transforming in a very fast-paced way. We can see today in Money20, Riyadh, Fintech's projects and companies, and the innovation that Riyadh is bringing up to the region. And under the vision of 2030 of Saudi Arabia being Riyadh as an fintech hub, which is really something gives us pride as neighbors to Saudi Arabia and the GCC region. And when it comes to Dubai and the UAE, it's much more stable. I think to keep up together, how we can, grow, and opportunities are in Money20, to be honest, for both regions.
That's true. And a lot of things are happening in Dubai. How do you feel? Are you taking it more as a competition or more brotherhood, working hand in hand for developing the innovations? Like, how do you see from your perspective?
To be honest, it's a much about a brotherhood. Because today's comparison to Dubai, it's not the region, it's Dubai itself.
Yeah.
So when we say that we are competing with someone, we say we're competing to Dubai.
Yes.
So the competition is amazing, Yes. It brings scale to the region, it brings opportunity to the region, and that's what we really want to see.
Yeah, that's true. And taking into account, because I think regulators works a little bit differently in the regions. The open finance license, open banking here, like what from your inside view, what is the difference between two regions?
I think, if we want to keep this momentum up, we need to be flexible.
Yeah.
We need to bring the trust. We need to bring that trust between regulators and fintech. I think that thing is really crucial in our stage.
Yeah, that's definitely true. And it's a frequent question from our listeners, like what you would advise to new founders, because we see a lot of startups popping up like mushrooms after the rain. A lot of things are happening with the crypto, with the stable coins. So what would be your advice for new founders? Yeah. What they should look for, or what is your advice?
To be honest, based on my experience in LinkedIn and what I saw in this amazing demographic which LinkedIn brings, stick to your dream, really believe in yourself. Everyone started small on a stage. Just grab that dream hard as you can, because the momentum is here in the region. Either it was in Riyadh or in Dubai, and it's an opportunity to everyone.
The last question from our audience, what do you think the challenges that the region and the industry will face make next year?
I think it's the momentum of the fast-paced, acceleration of the projects, and when it comes to the region. So we need to be up to date when it comes to this momentum, high momentum, and to always think bigger and in a longer vision.
Yeah, strategy versus tactics.
Yes, it's always strategy. And what we do in the UAE, we always think about the vision and the strategy of the 10, 20, 30 years.
Yeah, that's definitely true. And that's why I think the region become really the innovator and the incubator for new business models and really good evaluations. So we saw the HALA evaluation or the round, which brought the HALA evaluation, one of the biggest in the region. And we see a lot of buy now, pay letters popping up in this region. So thank you so much for your time. It's a pleasure for us to listen to your wise thoughts and exposure to the region. So thank you for coming and accepting the
Appreciate it. Thanks.
Thank you so much.